everybody, I'm Katie.
And I'm Kat.
And we are Kitty Gang.
Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my favorite dessert, tiramisu. It was a recipe given to me by an old coworker, Christine. Yeah. It was actually in her German cookbook, so she took the time to help me translate it into English, and now it's my cookbook.
That's
And I'm going to share it with you.
I'm so excited to eat this when you're done.
Should we get started?
Yes.
Okay. This recipe calls for 2 packets of ladyfinger cookies, 500 grams of mascarpone cheese, 4 egg whites, 5 tablespoons of sugar, half a cup of strong espresso, and half a cup of Disaronno, and cocoa powder to top it all off. So in a separate bowl, you're gonna take egg whites. So to do that, I kind of use the eggshells to keep the egg yolk separate from the egg whites, and I just kind of go back and forth until I get the egg whites out. Oops, I got a little bit of egg yolk in there. If you get a little bit of egg yolk in there, grab an eggshell and just scoop it out as best as you can. And you're gonna add 5 tablespoons of sugar to your 4 egg whites. And 5. And you're gonna mix it up with a hand mixer. Probably best to start low. So once you've mixed up your egg whites with your sugar, it should come out white and fluffy like so. And you're gonna slowly add in mascarpone into your mixture. The recipe calls for 400 grams, and so this will be about a tub and a half. So I'm just using an espresso machine to make the coffee part, and I'm using Carmelito here. So just pop it in, and I think I'm gonna use 2, just depending on how much this makes. This one. And now we're just gonna add some Disaronno to this guy. About a half and half mixture. Perfect, and you're just gonna let this cool down. And if you are like me and just bought a whole bottle of Disaronno to make dessert, you can make yourself a cocktail. So Disaronno works really well with citrus juices. So you're gonna add a shot of Disaronno, and we're using pineapple juice. And just a splash is great.
It smells good. It's almond. That is very dangerous.
Great, so now in a clear bowl, just to see all the layers of your tiramisu, you're gonna open up this bag of ladyfingers. This is my favorite cookie. So first you're gonna put your bottom layer down, sugar face down actually, and spoon in some of that coffee Disaronno mixture. Just make sure that your ladyfingers don't get too wet. Otherwise, you're gonna end up with a soggy tiramisu. Take that mascarpone and egg white mixture. Mascarpone? Mascarpone? I'll get it one of these days. Layer that on top. Next, you're gonna add another layer. You can maybe make it go in a different direction. And then your coffee mixture again. And another layer. Truthfully, we should have put it in this bowl, but you know what? You learn as you go. Over top, you're just gonna want to sprinkle some cocoa powder because it's the best part. Guys, hindsight is 20/20. So if you're gonna present this to anybody, make sure you put it in a proper bowl. But other than that, it's gonna be delicious. So this is pretty much good to go. You're just gonna wanna set it in the fridge for about 2 hours, have it covered up.
And everything always tastes better when you like let it marry.
Let it get to know each other in the fridge.
Get acquainted. While you wait, you can just eat all that leftover ladyfingers. It's really good. Okay. Anyways,
we gotta go. But thank you so much for watching.
subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on
Facebook and Instagram. We'll be around.
We'll see you later.
Bye. Bye.